Yes, hello, Joe. Speaking to you from my offices in Baldock. I've sort of been just a week after the show. Would have been looking forward to following up many leads that we would have got at the show, I'm sure. It was meant to be a very special year for us this year at the Mac show. Some 80 square meters had been booked for us. We had the partnership of Tornos, Star, and Citizen with their machines on our stand to demonstrate our tooling in the process of celebrating our 30 years. So the advent of COVID unfortunately put the kibosh on a lot of that. Um, but needless to say, we still intend to be at the Mac Show next year, and we sincerely hope that we can continue to do the celebration of our 30 years in the industry that we plan to do this year. It was also meant to be an opportunity to introduce some new members of the team to continue our collaboration with the three main sliding head users, but there are many more new ones out in the field as well, and to really emphasize why we have the reputation we do for sliding head tooling. At the show, we were planning to bring on board more technology in terms of high pressure coolant feeds. Primarily, one of the products would have been we have here a the new Evo cut system, the cut line program that Apitech introduced last year with their unique 4-point clamping system, which is very accurate, and also the 2-point high pressure coolant solution for. And we have had a lot of success. We're very pleased with the results that we've had with this new program. And now they have a connecting system that's now called the Jet Line program. I can't show it all on one little video here, but it's a simple quick fit connections as we've done in the past, but they've now been evolved for use with Apitech program, not just on parting off, but we use them on the famous twin screw program from Apitech. We're very happy with again, here's a classic example of a through coolant program using ZXT inserts. ZXT are laser generated inserts that were brought in by Apitech to improve chip control. But clearly, new technology on many sliding head machines means that the LFVs and HFT systems from Star have improved chip control dramatically. What we have found, though, is this also helps. It improves both finish and performance and tool life. So we're very pleased with the performance, and the sales of ZXT have gone extremely well in the last, well, up until just recently, have been going extremely well. The other programs that we're trying to show predominantly as our specialization on sliding heads is the Massa microconic collet subspindle system, which people are beginning to cotton onto. Whilst it's not a cheap alternative to subspindle clamping, it is by far the most advanced that we've seen on the market and the most accurate that we've seen, where small component clamping has historically been an issue on sliding heads because of the poor clamping of an standard extended nose. In this application, the nose has already been extended on the collet, and there is an independent collet used in conjunction with it. I'm not sure very good at using this on a camera. There we go. And there's a secondary collet that's used in the cartridge on the machine. But the benefits of this are without doubt being seen specifically in the medical industries, where very small position component clamping has been important. Our situation at the moment is that we're waiting for things to improve. We've been pleased to be involved with the medical production of or the work on medical parts for the ventilators. We have many of our clients extremely busy. In fact, March was still a very good month for us. However, we are beginning to see the pressure on demand in these in the month of May, March, April. But in May, we're not expecting to see quite so much production in the medical industry. However, we remain strong. We have 50% of our team at home, working remotely, working very well, and we have a small team in here And I'm pleased to say that the whole supply chain, particularly with getting products in across Europe, has been excellent throughout this. We really were worried that during this COVID crisis, we were not going to see product arrive in the UK. I'm pleased to say that it's smooth. It's gone very, very smoothly with UPS and many others as well. So we are still remaining positive. We are trying to look to improve other solutions within our system whilst we've got time, a little bit more time. And we hope that we will see a pickup later in the year. So that surmises. I mean, the real point of the Mac show for us was to say, hey, why are we here? We're here because we put Collett sky bushes and so many other tools on sliding edge machines, and it was to, if you like, continue the legacy of what has been started, to introduce a new team, new people who will carry on taking the state of these products to new clients as we go into the future. Okay, thank you for your time.
Sounds good to me, but yeah, sounds good to me. Thank you very much. We'll see you at the show, if not before.
Okay, yes, be in touch. You look after yourself and stay safe. Thank you. Bye-bye.